I am in Unit 204 of the Erie Building in Cleveland's Warehouse District, which is in downtown Cleveland. And we are in a beautiful urban loft. Got a big great room, huge kitchen, lots of counter space. And as you can see, you can put stools all the way around this really nice granite countertop. You've got extra tall cabinets, lots of kitchen storage. Now, the great room has plenty of room for dining and living. As you can see, this is not a big table. There's plenty of room. You could have a bigger table if you want. If you wanted to expand your living room, you can. There's plenty of room for that. We've got a wet bar and wine fridge here. And we've got a fireplace. Again, exposed brick. We've got some original details from the building. Exposed ductwork. Large windows, downtown views. It's really a neat space, and it just feels good in here. I like the feeling. So heading this way beyond the kitchen, we've got let's give you another view here, but we've got the main bathroom. Exposed brick, tile around a bathtub, tile floors. And then we've got the guest bedroom. Again, big windows, nice sized room, nice closet, exposed brick. Come back out into the great room here. And we're gonna head over to the laundry room. Side by side, washer dryer, which is great, in its own room. And then we're gonna head into the owner's suite. So we've got this metal door, original from the building, on the brick wall. It's a big room. Plenty of room for an office. If you wanna do an office in here, you could do office and sitting. We've got these great closets. They're lit, so no problem seeing your clothes. Got some exposed brick in this one, and this is not all the closet space because as we will see soon, there is a nice big closet in the ensuite bathroom. Tile floor, look at all this space. So towels, shoes, clothes, whatever, lots of space here. You've got the nice large walk-in shower, double vanity, and the toilet is in its own room. And again, you've got some detail from the original building. So that's it.